This is going to be a very quick video about what to do when you have some rusty spots on your car. So this rust isn't that deep. I'm going to get rid of some of that rust and rough up the edges. And then I'm going to cover this coilover up with a little bit of cardboard, and I'm going to spray it with some primer. You could use paint or primer. I'm going to just use some of this because I don't really care. I just don't want the rust to spread. So let's start off with the sandpaper. You might want to shape it into something usable. So something like this maybe, or even half of that, like fold it in half. Make sure you're wearing eye protection. Luckily I wear glasses, so I'm good, but put on some glasses or some goggles or something if you're doing this, because you do actually feel the debris hitting your face. So I'm gonna just give it a wipe to get the debris off. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel. I need to go get it from my tool bag really quick and then I'll continue. Here's a microfiber towel. So we're just gonna use this towel and we're gonna clean off the excess debris. Okay, that should be good. It doesn't have to look pretty or anything, it's just to prevent the rust from spreading. Now I have this Amazon box that I'm gonna try to shape. I have now shaped this Amazon box to cover my coilover because I want to keep that looking nice. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of primer. I'm holding the box up with my hand while I'm holding the phone. I hope you guys are aware of what I do for you. Like, I just want to make sure I get a good angle, so please just take a moment to subscribe. I'm shaking up the can of primer. Yeah, so this is really actually challenging to hold up, so just please subscribe and like this video right now. I'd appreciate that very much. Drop a comment, share with your friends, so it's worth it for me to have my hand in pain. All right, let's do this. I just put a nice heavy coat because I don't want to keep hitting it, so let's see if it dries quick, and then we'll hit it with one more and we'll put the wheel back on. Okay, so this already looks pretty heavy, but I'm gonna give it one more light one and then I'm gonna be done. Okay, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. So now I could uncover the coilover. Gotta keep the BC coils looking good. Shout out to Avial for letting me have these in exchange for my stocks and labor. That was really cool of you, man. I hope you're watching this. Shout out to you, bro. Appreciate that. I'm gonna put them to good use for you, man. Anyway, this looks pretty good. Luckily, no oversprays on my top hat. My quick masking with the cardboard worked out well, thank God. This looks pretty good to me. It's already drying. It's nice and heavy, so I'm gonna just put the wheel on and I'm gonna go test out my new ride height that I just adjusted, because I'm planning on going drifting this weekend on Sunday at Apple Valley Speedway. So hit me up if you wanna join me for that. If you wanna go for some rides, or if you wanna go tandem with me, or you wanna go drive or whatever, hit me up so I can give you event details. I'm not hosting it, but it should be fun. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. See you in the next video.